Do you ever feel like no matter what you do, people don't take you seriously? Like women don't look at you the way you expect them to? Like your presence just doesn't hit the way it should? That feeling is frustrating. You might think it's your face, your height, or your money, but the truth is much deeper than that. Attractiveness is not built by looks alone. It is built by habits. Daily habits that shape your energy, your aura, and how people feel around you. The scary part is this. Some habits don't slowly damage your attractiveness. They destroy it instantly. You could be good looking and still repel people. Today, I'm going to expose 11 habits that instantly kill your attractiveness without you even realizing it. These are real psychological and energy-based mistakes most men make daily. Fix these habits, and your presence will change. People will treat you differently. Women will feel safer, calmer, and more curious around you. Stay till the end, because the last habit is a foundation of everything. Step 1. Complaining about everything. Complaining is one of the fastest and most dangerous habits that kills attraction. Most men don't even realize they are doing it because it feels normal to vent, explain, or express frustration. But every time you complain, you silently communicate weakness, lack of control, and emotional instability without saying those words directly. Complaining about money, life, people, bad luck, or how unfair the world is tells others that you feel stuck and powerless. Even if your reasons are valid, the energy behind complaining pushes people away. This habit creates what is called victim energy. Victim energy feels heavy. It drains a room. People may listen, nod, or even agree with you, but internally they feel tired. They don't feel inspired. They don't feel safe or attracted. Over time, they start distancing themselves emotionally, even if they don't consciously know why. Attraction requires strength, direction, and calmness, not emotional leakage. Attractive people don't pretend problems don't exist. They just don't emotionally bleed in public. They understand that constantly talking about problems does not solve them. Instead, they either fix the problem silently or accept it temporarily and keep moving forward. Their calm response to pressure signals maturity, control, and inner strength. This makes others feel comfortable and drawn to them. There's also a psychological effect happening here. When you complain repeatedly, your brain starts identifying you as a victim. You reinforce the idea that life is happening to you instead of you happening to life. This mindset slowly kills confidence, posture, tone of voice, and overall aura. People can sense this even if you never directly complain to them. Step 2. Weak posture and nervous body language. Your body speaks before your mouth ever opens. Slouched shoulders, head down, fidgeting hands, and restless movements signal insecurity. Even if you feel confident inside, your body cancels it out. Women subconsciously scan posture to judge safety and strength. Men judge posture to measure respect. Good posture instantly upgrades your attractiveness. Stand tall. Relax your shoulders. Keep your chest open. Move slowly and deliberately. Extra tip. Practice posture during daily activities. While walking, while standing, while sitting. Confidence is not a mindset only. It is a physical habit. Step 3. Seeking validation from everyone. Needing approval is unattractive. Trying to be liked by everyone kills mystery and respect. Laughing too much. Agreeing with everything. Explaining yourself unnecessarily. These behaviors signal insecurity. Attractive people are comfortable being misunderstood. They don't chase validation. They approve themselves first. Extra tip. Stop over-explaining. Say what you mean, then pause. That silence creates authority. You don't need everyone to like you. You need to like yourself. Step 4. Poor hygiene and grooming. This habit destroys attraction instantly. Bad breath, body odor, greasy hair, dirty nails, wrinkled clothes. No personality can save bad hygiene. Attractiveness starts with cleanliness. Shower daily. Use deodorant. Brush twice a day. Trim nails weekly. Wear clean clothes. Extra tip. Choose one subtle signature scent. Not loud, not overpowering. Clean and fresh. Smell creates memory. People remember how you smelled longer than what you said. Step 5. Negative self-talk. How you talk about yourself shapes your aura. If you constantly say you're ugly, unlucky, or not good enough, people feel that energy. Your brain believes what you repeat. Attractive people protect their inner dialogue. They don't lie to themselves, but they don't insult themselves either. Replace negative labels with progress language. Instead of saying I'm bad socially, say I'm learning social skills. This small shift changes your identity over time. Step 6. Being glued to your phone. Phone addiction kills presence. Scrolling while talking. Checking notifications constantly. Looking distracted. This signals boredom with your own life. Attractive people are present. When they talk to someone, they give attention. Presence is rare today, and rarity is attractive. Keep your phone face down or in your pocket during conversation. Attention is power. Step 7. Having no direction in life. People are attracted to movement, not perfection. If you have no goals, no routine, and no direction, your energy feels empty. You don't need a perfect plan. You need something you are building. Your body, your skill, your income, your discipline. Extra tip: have one personal goal you work on daily. Even small progress creates masculine energy. Step 8. Being too available. Always replying instantly. Always free. Always adjusting your schedule. This kills value. Scarcity creates attraction. Attractive people have full lives. They don't chase attention. They respond when they're free. Respect your time first. People mirror the way you treat yourself. Step 9. Emotional instability. Overreacting is unattractive. Getting angry fast. Getting jealous easily, taking everything personally. This creates emotional chaos. Attractive people are calm under pressure. They pause before reacting. They respond instead of exploding. Extra tip: delay emotional responses. Control builds authority. Step 10. Trying to impress instead of connect. Showing off pushes people away. Flexing money, achievements, or status creates distance. Connection builds attraction. Listening, understanding, making someone feel seen. Ask thoughtful questions. Let others talk more. People fall for those who understand them. Step 11. Lack of self-respect. This is the foundation. If you tolerate disrespect, others will disrespect you. If you break promises to yourself, others won't trust you. Self-respect is built through discipline, keeping your word, doing hard things daily, walking away from disrespect. Choose discipline over comfort daily. Self-respect creates aura. Aura creates attraction. These were the 11 habits that instantly kill your attractiveness. The good news is this: habits can be changed. Fix these, and your presence will shift naturally. People will feel it without you saying a word. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to Glow Mode, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next upgrade. Remember this: you are not unattractive. You are just running the wrong habits. Fix the habits, and let your aura speak.